All right, welcome second graders to your new unit on economics. It is our last unit for the year. I'm going to kind of cruise through these next slides, standards to be covered and other standards. You're welcome to go back and read those. And also goals and outcomes. These will be your whole unit goals and outcomes. And those are also listed each week as you are working so you know kind of when they are coming up and what you're doing to meet those goals. So our project overview driving question, how do needs and wants and goods and services influence how people spend and save their money? So that's a packed question. So lots to learn this unit and lots of fun stuff to dive into. Our writing masterpiece. So you will be working on when I grow up, I want to be a or an. Throughout this unit, you'll be writing an informational piece and illustrating a picture of yourself where you will answer the question, what you want to be when you grow up, where do you want to work, and why. So you can begin thinking about different ideas that you have for yourself. You will notice your literacy connections have a little red smile at the end and end with a purple. So all you have to do is follow the rainbow to complete your writing. So you'll see red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. And you will know you have finished your writing masterpiece for the unit. So vocabulary, economics, wants and needs, services, goods, save, production, and efficient. Big words that will come up through the unit, and we will also be focusing on those in eSession. All right, so that takes us to week 1. This week, I will learn the difference between a want and a need. So you'll access Pebble Go. Your username is Achieve, password is books. Click Social Studies, all about money and needs and wants. So you've got 2 here. Read and listen to the story. Create a Google Doc titled Needs and Wants. Draw and write about a need you have. List facts that you learned about needs and wants, and write the one thing you want the most and place that in your to be graded folder. Now, if you do this by Google Doc and you would like to get an image offline, you can do that instead of drawing it out. That is an option. And your week 1 literacy connection. This week, it's time to brainstorm. You will create a list of ideas for what you want to be and do when you grow up. Create a Google Doc titled When I Grow Up. Your first section on your paper should be titled Brainstorm. List all the jobs you're interested in doing. Think about what interests you, what you care about, and then I want you to underline your top 3 from the list. Okay, so you've got 4 steps here to do for your literacy connection. And then this week for your math connection, have you got enough money? When making choices on needs and wants, we have to decide all the time if we have enough money. So you'll give it a try. Create a Google Doc titled Math Week 1, or if you do it by hand, just upload a picture of it and place that in to be graded. And be sure to show your work. Correct answers are good, but your math thinking is better. So your math work is on the next 2 slides. So slides 11 and 12 have your work. And so there's 3 questions on each slide. You're definitely going to want to put this in present mode so that pops up a little bit bigger. All right, so that's the unit kickoff and week 1. Have a great week. Any questions, let us know.